No, okay, you ready? 4 of them? He'll give me $100. Go. I hope. Tell me if you have like any kind of reaction to it, just in case, right?
Dude, you two are way too much.
I gotta know if you have a reaction or not. No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. That's it.
Yeah, some people do have reactions to chilies that they don't know about.
Feels like too late.
Ain't that bad.
They're hot. He's going.
There's a deboning plate right there.
No. I think he's got that one down.
One's good.
That's done. That's one.
Yeah.
Hey. They're hot. Oh, this one I'm gonna.
Good, man.
Dude, I already see tears. It's good. I'm not. I said I'd get through one, right?
1.5, at least tie me.
Hey.
Tie me.
Jeez. I don't want to do it.
You know you're in trouble when all the cooks come out of the kitchen.
Yeah.
Somebody's gonna eat that.
You know they can't do it. Oh, sorry. I didn't.
Need a towel? No, that one.
That would disqualify him.
Well, now I can
Yeah, technically he passed you.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's good.
Technically, it's what?
He passed me. Oh.
Is that a good thing? Yes. Well, the first one I devoured, seriously. That's in like 5 seconds, it was gone.
Yeah, the second one is like, oh no.
Like,
Done.
You're sweating just fucking you.
Look at this bed. $100 bed.
Yeah, halfway there. You're halfway there.
I already said I'm not going to take the money if I make it.
You are.
Dude, it's worth your time right now.
You'll pay for it later. Look, baby Huey's coming for you.
Huh? No,
Baby Huey's.
I got to see a reaction after you eat this one. Pizza the pencil.
Don't touch your eyes.
Hey, you know what? Give me a drink ready. I think I'm only going to do one more bite. Okay.
You know, after the third one, it's about 30. After the third one, the pain of it is
I can't do anymore. Oh, 2 and a 1 bite. They give it to my milk.
So you're done?
Okay, go.
Woo!
Yeah.
I'm sweating.
What's special about that last one?
That's from the bottom.
Oh.
That's from the bottom. That bottom one was actually the
The hottest. It goes in there.
yeah.
Oh, my God. Oh, he dug down?
He dug down. Yeah.
Keep the milk in your mouth. Then it goes so long. Just keep.
Yeah.
I'm impressed. Yeah.